Jahnavi. I am from Andhra Pradesh and I have done my B.TECH in Presidency University, Bangalore in Computer Science and Engineering. And I have joined here in PYSpiders in the month of November in 2025 in Python full stack with React.js. And Python was taught by Sagar sir and Web Technology by Reshma ma'am and React.js by Geeta ma'am and SQL by GADDAM sir and Django by Rahul sir. During this journey, my trainers helped me a lot to build communication and confidence, and also they conducted mock interviews and presentations every time to build the confidence and also to get stage fear out, and also they added me for many requirements until I get placed, and now I got placed in a company. And thank you to Spiders.